Hey there, Leslie here. Well, I have two areas I want to ask you a question about. What is your current progress? Where do you stand with technical skills and with paralegal duties, or I call them tasks? But what do you know how to do in those two areas? Get a notebook. Have a page just for technical. Write down what you already know in Microsoft Word, in Excel, and PowerPoint. That's your foundation skills, okay? And then on another page, put legal knowledge or paralegal duties. And you might have a page for each area of law that you're going to investigate, okay? And track your progress. Like, what do you know how to do in those areas? So, technical, are you advanced or just basic with Microsoft Word? And you can be basic and with Excel and PowerPoint as well, but not Microsoft Word. You need to get those skills advanced, okay? So go to my website. There's a tab called Advanced Skills. So the website is paralegalcoffeetalk.com. Look for the Advanced Skills tab. That training is free on YouTube, just giving you the links. You know that my website is a resource hub for beginner paralegals. Now, the paralegal duties on my website, I want you to get the playbook, Paralegal Playbook, and on one of the pages, it's going to talk about how to research paralegal duties, and also I want you to learn how to perform some of those duties and track it in the notebook, just showing what you know how to do, because you need to communicate this to the hiring attorney. If they're a family law attorney and you know how to perform some of the duties, not all of them, some of them, it's such an ace in the hole. It's such a good thing for you. So do this for yourself, okay? And use a notebook to track everything. Put your name on the front of the notebook. You don't let anybody else handle it. This is not to be left on the job when you finally land a job. It's your private stuff, your private property, okay? This is your career you're building. And the more you know, the more dollars you can command. You notice I didn't say experience. I said the more you know how to do. So you say, isn't that the same thing, Leslie? Well, when you're starting out, you have to be able to prove that you already know how to do some of these duties. And that, my friend, is your ace in the hole. It will help you so much. So go to the website, and for the Paralegal Playbook, look under Paralegal Resource Hub on my website. Have a great day.